Hey there, it's the TheDevAK. In this video, I am finally finishing the demo of my dream game, Metron. First of all, thanks to all of you for the support you've shown on the previous devlog. I'm really happy to have such a great community. Since the last devlog, a lot has changed. I updated the art style, added new mechanics, and even changed the story. As you can see, the art now looks much better than before. I also added several mechanics like wall jump, wall climb, CO jump, and dash. The story also changed. Previously, it was about a cat who gets kidnapped and you had to fight enemies to return home. But now the story is about a cat who gets lost in the kingdom of Metronia and must escape. The game focuses on challenging platforming rather than combat, inspired by games like Celeste and Path of Pain from Hollow Knight. The demo currently has 5 distinct levels, each introducing new mechanics and increasing difficulty. The Metron demo is available on itch.io, so check it out using the link in the description. And if you enjoyed the demo and want to support further development, you can leave a small donation on the page. And if you are new to the channel, make sure to check out the first devlog. Thanks for watching.